So in China, the future is here. They're using robots to do all sorts of things from cleaning, disinfecting, delivering food, as well as policing and patrolling. Can't forget their mail sorting facilities.
This AI and logistics model is now revolutionizing the express delivery industry across the country and also reduces manual labor costs by an astonishing 70%.
And did I mention they have robots that cook food too? So awesome. China also tests an electric cargo ship. And China delivers and donates 15 smart buses to Saudi Arabia. Compared to other countries, China seems to be more advanced in robotics and AI as well, leading the way in these fields with their technology advancements in the present day as well as in the future.
The war against the machines.
I'm actually really excited to see what China is going to develop and create in the future as well as what they're doing with the robotics and AI. Hopefully some of these robots and AI devices come over to our country so it will make life easier. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Please like this video and share it as well as click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe and God bless you all.